smells like a bell. Whoa. Waiting for help. Don't open, it's too dangerous. I close it. And don't open, it's too dangerous. Fireworks. Maybe I should close the window. I don't want to open the window. And enough. Whoa. That's strangers. That was strangers. No. We don't want to do it. Huh? What was that? What was that? Did I hear something? Hey. Did I hear something? Huh? Hey. Do I hear something? Do you guys hear something? I'm so glad to see this. And by the way, we would like to say goodbye 2022. And we would like to say hello 2023. Cute! Huh? What was that? What was that? Let's hope. Okay. Happy New Year. Huh?